Hi, I am Imran from Imran Learning Center. This video is especially for those who are thinking of speaking English. They wanna speak English, but they fear to talk to people. They fear to start. Anyway, if you wanna learn English, if you wanna speak fluently, confidently, clearly, anyway, you have to start at first. Anyway, you have to start. Once you start, then you can improve. You can continue. You can improve day by day, slowly. Gradually you can improve, you can develop your speech, your speaking English, your spoken English, your speaking, you can develop day by day. It will take time to happen, it will take time. So anyway, at first you have to start. So choose any topic you love to talk to. This topic, pick up any topic, choose any topic, select any topic you prefer to discuss, you love to discuss. So first time, choose easy topic so that you feel comfortable to discuss on this topic. Choose any easy topic you prefer, you feel comfortable to say something on this topic. So pick up any topic and start speaking. This is the way we achieve fluency in English. This is the way people develop their English, their spoken English, their speaking, they deliver speech confidently, clearly, with confidence. This is the only way we develop our spoken English. We develop, we improve our English level. We improve our English level. So try to pick up, try to choose any topic you prefer, you love to discuss on this topic and start speaking. So select any topic and start speaking. And first time, maybe you will speak a little bit. You have limitation of vocabulary, maybe you have limitation of sentence structure. So start speaking and make it habit and continue speaking. You have to continue because continuation is more important to develop English level, especially spoken English. To develop spoken English, to build up confidence, to develop, to achieve confidence, anyway you have to continue. So start speaking, select any topic, choose any topic, take any topic you love to discuss, you love to express something, tell something on this topic, this particular topic. Choose any topic and start speaking and make it habit and continue this speaking. You have to continue. Maybe first time you will speak a little bit, but day by day, gradually, you will be able to speak better than previous time. You will be able, day by day, you will improve your vocabulary, you will improve your sentence structure. So limitation, your limitation will be reduced, will be vanished day by day. At one stage, you will be able to speak confidently, clearly, without any fear, without any doubt, fearlessly, without any hesitation, because already you will get, you have learned many things, already you have learned many things. If you continue, then in your stock, in your brain, there will be so many vocabularies, so many sentence structure, and you can speak smoothly, smartly. For example, here I have a duster. We all know it is duster. So it has two parts. This is made by plastic. We are looking, watching this, we can say it is made by plastic, and this is cloth. This part is made by cloth, and all together, these two parts together, we call it duster. It is duster. There are many kinds of duster in market, low price, high price, different kinds of duster are available in market. You can buy. If you need to buy, you can buy duster, you can use duster. So we can say it's light, it's not heavy, it's, I feel comfortable, it's nice to see, it's nice to see, and I feel comfortable to use this. So it's not heavy, it's light, so I don't have to toil to carry this, to use this, I feel comfortable. So it is, this part is made by plastic, this part is made by cloth. Altogether we call it duster. Duster is noun, verb is dust. So I have here whiteboard. You see, this is whiteboard. Whiteboard is used to learn something on this board, to explain something. When we write something to explain to our students, to our audience, we use whiteboard. And so I have here whiteboard. So if I do this, then you can guess, you can say what I'm actually doing. I'm dusting. If I do this, so what am I doing now? I'm dusting. I'm dusting the whiteboard. I'm cleaning. Dust means clean. I'm cleaning the whiteboard. So dust, dirt, rubbish, trash, all are synonym. So I'm dusting dust. I'm dusting rubbish. I'm dusting. I'm cleaning. So this is the way we improve spoken English. So pick any topic, choose any topic, and try to say something on this topic. Choose any object. For example, this is duster, as I mentioned. So take duster and start speaking. This is nice to see. This part is made by plastic. This part is made by cloth. It's not heavy. It's light. Nice to see. I feel comfortable to use it. So this is the way we improve English. We can speak fluently day by day. So I hope you got the point what I wanted to tell you. So this is what I have to share with you. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.